in my room when my parents called me for dinner. And when I came downstairs, I saw my St. Nicholas presents, and I got a Hairdorables. So today we're gonna open one. Also, I'm very sorry I haven't posted a video in so long. It just, my teachers have been giving me a lot of homework after school. Also, I got my ears pierced. So, let's open it. Oh, now, so first, let's open the first one. See what we got. So, we've got a really cute robot. From this, I think it's Callie. Definitely Callie. It's really cute. Let's open the second one. Right here. Let's just pop it open. See what's inside. So, inside, we have two shoes. Really cute shoes. And we've got one sticker. The sticker, it says Hairdorables, big hair, don't care. It's a moon, a musical note, and a green flower. Let's open the next one. Sorry, I forgot to show you this. The background is super cool. It's like a salon, and I have like a plant here. Plants, really cute. Oh, in Serious Free, you can like do this. It's really cute. So let's see what dolls we have here. So we have like Slumber Party. Oh, these ones are the best, like kind of like Instagram pictures for the Hairdorables. And here like Slumber Party is here. I really want to get one of this ones because I want to get a PJ. And here we have like a dance party. Kyler, fun. And right here we have the outdoor fun. And this one is Brett. We don't know how she looks because, well, she's like that. Let's open the next package. The third one. See what's in there. Oh, also in Series 3, you can like, here, let me show you. Quick. So you can color, crimp, and curl up your doll's hair. Oh, sorry. Here. So you can color, crimp, and curl your doll's hair with your thing that you get. And I didn't know that. But still, it's really cute. Let's open the last package. The fourth package, and then we'll see what the doll is. Open this. Oh, also, my background is my tent that I got for my birthday from my parents. Let's open this package now. So, this is for the, thing, and this it's for the hair. Just gotta... Oh, we also got a sticker, and it's not with a doll. I got one just like it from my other free series, but still really cute. It's Didi here. I think it's from the dance party. That's really cute. And let's see how this looks. So cute. Look, guys. It's so cute. It's like a purse here. See? So cute. Curl. Oh, that's my dad. If you hear him. So right here is the nail. Dum da da dum da dum. Oh yeah. I haven't opened a Hairdorables in a long time. Also, this is my 13th Hairdorables. I have 2 guys and 10 girls, and this is gonna be my 11th girl. So many dolls. Oh, her hair is purple, which means, did you guess who it is? It's Callie. Let's take her out. Let's read her thing. So, it's Callie. Her bedtime routine is texting with friends. Her favorite flower is violet. And signature dance move is the rabbit. Ching, 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 ching. Okay, I don't really know how to do it, but they're cute. Here. And now, stick the doll out. Oh my gosh, she looks adorable. She looks adorable. I love her dress and everything. She looks so cute. I love her bun. Like, she has a bun here. Yeah. She has a ponytail, just like my other Callie. Also, the other Callie is from Hairdorables. And she has a carrot. See? Let's find out which one I got. Oh my god, guys. You won't believe this. I got one from the signature from the Instagram pictures. Callie's right here. Right here. Oh my god, guys. I am so happy right now. Also, just give me a moment to show you her sister. Yay, I'm gonna see my sister. So here's her sis. Oh, hi sis. Hi. Yay, we're gonna be sisters again. They're happy. Oh, also, my mom's pregnant. Again, no. Can you believe it? Like, I'm gonna get another little sister. And she's gonna be 2 years old. Like, not my little sister, but the first little sister. I don't know how to explain this, but she's gonna be 2 years old when the other one gets born. And right now, she's 1 year old. So, write in the comments below what names should we name the girl, because I'm gonna get another sister, not a brother. So it's gonna be like 3 sisters. We're gonna be 3 sisters. Oh my god. Just so write in the comments below, what should we name the girl? Also, write in the comments below if you liked my doll, my new doll, Kelly, and her sister, Kelly. I should probably rename them. Give a like,